The Food Service Exchange presents.
To replace the temperature control, first remove the shipping screw at the center of the grill. Next, lift the grill upward as you pull it straight out. Notice that the grill has keyholes which fit onto the shoulder screws in the cabinet. Remove the 2 screws from the bottom of the temperature control plate and the 2 screws from the top of the plate. Remove the screws above and below the temperature control and pull the panel out. Disconnect the wires from the terminals on the temperature control. Pull the temperature control probe from the probe well. Place the new temperature control probe into the probe well and connect the wiring to the terminals. Replace the temperature control panel and set the new temperature control to 3 to set the temperature to 38 degrees.